Start with a flat and neat braid down so your wig can be on nice and flat and natural looking. Clean the hairline off with 70% alcohol, and then use your favorite edge control to move all of the edges back and get them completely out of the way. Dry that with a blow dryer. The next step, we're going to use Erica J Skin Protect and protect her skin and the bald cap. Place the bald cap onto your client's head as tightly and as far down as you can without it bothering their lashes. Sew the bald cap down to the client's braids. That keeps it in place. Spray got to be glue across the hairline. Got to be glue is actually hairspray. It's not glue at all, so her edges are going to be just fine. And we're spraying that and we're moving it around with our finger. Don't just spray it all crazy. Make sure you spray it neatly and guide it with your finger. Now when you blow dry that, you got to touch it and make sure that your finger can glide across it without it getting sticky. That's how you know it's fully dry. Use cuticle scissors to cut the excess bald cap off. This is actually really good because cuticle scissors are bended a little bit. They're sort of bowed, and it makes it easier to cut the excess bald cap off. So make sure you get as much of it off as possible. And if you finish cutting and there's still some you want to get off, you can use tweezers, and you're just going to peel it back just a teeny bit and then use your scissors to cut off all of that excess bald cap. It's very necessary if you want it to look like a bald head. We're actually reinstalling a used wig, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my hot comb and hot comb the hairs back so that they don't get stuck in the glue, they don't interfere with anything. I'm just moving them completely out of the way, and some people use product. You can do that as well. Now you see me spreading one thin layer of Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. This is for the bald cap. This is not for the wig. We will spread 3 layers down for the wig, but right now we're just blending and melting in the bald cap. And then you're going to use some makeup after it turns clear, after the glue turns clear. Use makeup to blend that bald cap into the client's skin. It doesn't have to be the exact complexion of the client's skin, but as close as possible. And like for part 2, so we can learn how to do edges.